Cucumber is high in beneficial nutrients, plant compounds, and antioxidants that help treat and prevent various health conditions. Moreover, cucumber is low in calories and contains a good amount of water and soluble fiber, which make them ideal for aiding weight loss. Today, we will share a delicious weight loss salad recipe that is easy to make and need only a few ingredients. Ingredients and process are written in the description. Check if you need. How to make easy cucumber salad for weight loss. Take a medium size of cucumber. Remove upper and bottom sides a bit. Slice thinly. Keep them aside. Slice an onion. Chop some parsley according to your taste. Add a half teaspoon of salt in the cucumber and mix it. Let it rest for 5 minutes and strain. Put the cucumber in a bowl, add onion, parsley, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 1 piece of lemon juice. Now mix it well. Your healthy weight loss salad is ready to enjoy. Try this recipe and share your experience with us. Thanks for watching.